Okay, this video is again for worksheet 4. This time we're going to look at problem number 9. So problem number 9, a little trickier when I go to draw my compass rose. So again, I want my compass rose to be at the intersection of these two lines. And so I'm going to draw it in right here. And it's going to be tough because we've got a really small angle. Here's north. We've got a small angle between north and that line. And with the compass rose at this point, I want to ask myself, does this azimuth make sense? And no, it does not. The azimuth for that line, let me use a different color here. So the azimuth for this vertical line starts at north and goes clockwise around the circle until we hit that line. And so I've gone almost all the way around the circle, which I know there's 360 degrees in the circle. And so this number is a long ways from 360. In fact, it's off by 180 degrees. I know that because this bearing would make sense if I'm standing at the north end of the line looking towards the south. In that case, I'm looking along that southerly azimuth. I'd be looking very slightly east of south, so 179 degrees would make sense. So I know I need to do a 180 on this line. So I'm going to rewrite this over here. I'm going to take my 179, 58, 22, and I'm going to add 180 to that. And adding 180 is pretty easy. That'll bring me up to 359, 58, 22. And that is the new azimuth that I'm assigning to this line. So now that I have the azimuth here, I just have to subtract. I have to go back around the circle. I have to backtrack 38 degrees, 53 minutes, 42 seconds. So once I have, again, I think the drawing helps. I always do a little drawing for these. So I have to go back counterclockwise around the circle this 38 degrees. So I just need to subtract that off. Subtract off the 38 degrees, 53 minutes, 42 seconds. And you could punch it into the calculator and it should give you the correct answer. I'll do it manually here. So 22 minus 42, I can't do that without some borrowing, so I'm going to have to borrow a minute. 58 minutes becomes 57 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So I'm going to add 60 seconds here. That's going to give me 82 seconds. Now 82 minus 42, I can do that. That gives me 40 seconds. 57 minus 53, that gives me 4 minutes. And 359 minus 38 gives me 321. So 321 degrees and some change. That's the calculated azimuth of our second line here. And just as a double check, I'll ask, does that azimuth make sense in the northwest quadrant? Yes, it does. Northwest quadrant is between 270 and 360. So I know this azimuth checks out, at least again based on this not to scale drawing. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully that'll get you through the rest of the worksheet. If I need to, send me an email if you have more questions about specific problems, and I'll try to get another video posted.